Stop what you're doing. You won't believe what went down in Sao Paulo. Eagles versus Packers in Sao Paulo? Sounds epic, right? Well, it was. The NFL's first game in Brazil saw Philadelphia Eagles taking on the Green Bay Packers. But there was a twist. The field, designed for soccer, not football, the slick turf had players slipping left and right. Remember Saquon Barkley's epic slip on the first play? And Packers QB Jordan Love losing his footing during a fake handoff? The conditions were so bad, even LeBron James and J.J. Watt chimed in on social media. Eagles head coach Nick Sirianni and former Packers lineman David Bakhtiari had a lot to say about the need for better cleats and improved field conditions. But despite the slip and slide circus, the Eagles came out on top, proving their adaptability and resilience. So what did we learn? NFL players need better cleats for soccer fields. And the Eagles, they're ready for anything, even the unexpected. Catch you next time for more NFL drama. Like and subscribe for all the latest highlights.